Hello students, today I will explain chapter 3rd linear equation in two variable by R.S. Agrawal. Exercise 3D remaining questions from 15, that is a lecture 7. But in earlier videos in lecture 6 I have explained detail this, but today I am reminding condition for the solving pair of linear equation. Okay, in lecture 6 I have explained this, but today also I am reminding you. On that basis you will solve the questions in the previous day that I have explained unique solution. Now today I will explain the infinite many solution and no solution. On that basis I will explain the sums. Okay, so first of all, again you know the condition a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. That is the condition for a unique solution. Clear? Now second condition is given a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. That is for infinite many solution. Okay? And last third condition is given a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but that is not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, that's condition for no solution. In such case there will be no solution. So that you have to remember. Understood? These are all you have to remember. Understood? And these two, first and second is called consistent, but last third, that is inconsistent. Dear students, so now today I will explain the exercise 3D question number 15. That is asking find the value of k for which of each of the following linear equation has an infinite of solutions. An infinite number of solutions. So now students, in question number 15 saying that find the value of k for which each of the following system of linear equation has infinite number of solutions. Okay, infinite number of solutions. Then first of all you will convert it into the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Then it will be 2x plus 3y. You will transpose 7 there, it will be minus 7 is equal to 0. And now you write in the form of, that is a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now second equation also convert it into this form, then it will be k minus 1 x plus k plus 2 into y and transpose 3k there, it will be minus 3k is equal to 0. It also be in the form of a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, on comparing this you will find a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 7. So you write here a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to k minus 1, now b1 is equal to 3 and b2 is equal to k plus 2. Now C1 is equal to minus 7 and C2 is equal to minus 3k. Dear students, after finding this, you will use the condition of an infinite many solution. So in infinite many solution, now it will be a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. That is the condition for infinite many solutions. In this form you will put the value of this. So then a1 upon a2 means 2 upon k minus 1 is equal to b1 upon b2 and 3 upon k plus 2. 3 upon k plus 2 is equal to c1 upon c2, that is minus 7 upon minus 3k. Okay. Now in this value you will convert into two form. इसे दो फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे and then it will be a1 upon a2 is equal to c1 upon c2 and b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In this way that will be in a1 upon a2 2 upon k minus 1 is equal to c1 upon c2 minus 7 upon minus 3k. In this way not you do, okay? That way you will do. Separately you will do that way. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. So in this way it will be 2 upon k minus 1, 3 upon k plus 2, and other form b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, and then it will be three upon k plus 2 is equal to minus 7 upon minus 3k. Okay. By the help of cross multiplication you will get the value of this and this. Okay. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन के द्वारा इनकी वैल्यू और इनकी वैल्यू we will find. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we find क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन जब इसमें करेंगे तो 2 into k plus 2 is equal to 3 into k minus 1, and then it will be 2k plus 4 is equal to 3k minus 3. Finally you transpose 3k there, यानी 2k 3k इधर ट्रांसपोज होगा minus 3k, and here the minus 3 4 को ट्रांसपोज करने के minus 4. In this way you will get 2k minus 3k is equal to minus 1k is equal to minus 7. Therefore k is equal to 7 because there is both negative, then it will be positive. Dear students, now again you will use this, and then it will be 3 upon k2, 3 upon k plus 2 is equal to minus 7 upon minus 3k. Do cross multiplication and then you will get 3 into minus 3k is equal to minus 7 into k plus 2, and then it will be minus 9k is equal to minus 7k minus 7 to the 14. Transpose minus 7k to the right side, then it will be minus 9k plus 7k is equal to minus 14, and finally you will get minus 2k is equal to minus 14. Therefore k is equal to minus 14 divided by minus 2 is equal to plus 7. Clear students? So in this way you will find k is equal to 7. So that will be the answer. Clear students? Now the next question. In this way you can do the question number 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are all you can do. Now question number 21 is different. Find the value of a and b for which each of the following system of linear equation has infinite number of solutions. Okay, here you have to find two values a and b, whereas in question number 15 to 20 you will find the value of k. यानी क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 से 20 तक आपको k की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी थी, जबकि अब 21 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 टू 26 तक आपको फाइंड द वैल्यू a एंड b. हियर द गिवन टू वेरिएबल. ओके, दो की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. तो देन हाउ यू विल डू? तो वन क्वेश्चन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. Question number 21. Okay. Here the given find the value of a and b for which of the following system of linear equation has an infinite number of solution. 21 given a minus 1 coefficient of x plus 3y is equal to 2, and the next 6x plus 1 minus 2b, that is coefficient of y is equal to 6. Yes friends, first of all you convert it into the form of a1x, b1x, b1y plus c1, and then it will be a minus 1 into x plus 3y. 2 को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे is equal to 0. Okay. Now I am comparing a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. अब इससे हम कंपेयर करेंगे. क्लियर? इसको भी हम इसी फॉर्म में कर देंगे. तो देन 6x प्लस इन ब्रैकेट 1 minus 2b y, 6 को ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे, minus 6 is equal to 0. It also be a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. In this way you will find the value of a1 and a2, b1 and b2 by the comparing. Therefore a1 is equal to a minus 1, b1 is a2 is equal to 6, it is equal to 6. Now b1 is equal to 3, and B2 is equal to 1 minus 2B. Now C1 is equal to minus 2 and C2 is equal to minus 6. Clear students? Same process as you have done earlier in 15, you have to do that way. Here A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. That way you will put the value and then you will get A1 value A minus 1 upon A2 value 6 is equal to B1 upon B2 3 upon 1 minus 2B is equal to C1 upon C2 minus 2 upon minus 6. Yes students? In this way students, you will keep it into two form and then it will be A minus 1 upon 6 is equal to minus 2 upon minus 6 and यानी A1 upon A2 is equal to C1 upon C2 and B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2 will write here and then it will be 3 upon 1 minus 2B is equal to minus 2 upon minus 6. Clear? Now both you will solve, then you will get do cross multiplication, then minus 6 into A minus 6A and minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 6 2 ja minus 12 and it also minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 B is equal to 3 6 ja minus 18. Clear students? Now you both solve, then you will get it will be minus 6A is equal to minus 12 plus 6 transpose होगा minus 6 and finally you will get minus 6A is equal to minus 12 and 6 18 minus 18 and therefore A is equal to minus 18 divided by minus 6. Finally you will get A is equal to plus 3. Okay students? And from that you will solve this, then you will get minus 2 plus 4B is equal to minus 18 and then 4B is equal to minus 18 plus 2 minus 2 transpose होगा plus 2 and then it will be 4B is equal to you will get minus 16 and then B is equal to minus 16 divided by 4. Finally you will get B is equal to minus 4. Yes friends, in this way it also be answer and it also be answer. In this way you will get the two answer. A is equal to 3 and B is equal to minus 4. Clear? In this way you can solve remaining all question of 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. Now the question number 27 to 31 is the different. That one question I will do. Find the value of k which each of the following system of equation has no solution. Okay, that you will do according to no solution. Then the question number 27. 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Transpose there, it will be 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0. That is in the form of a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Okay students, the second equation given kx plus 10y is equal to 15, and then kx plus 10y transpose 15, then it will be minus 15 is equal to 0. Now you will compare with a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, on comparing you will get a1 is equal to 8, a2 is equal to k, b1 is equal to 5, and b2 is equal to 10. c1 is equal to minus 9, and c2 is equal to minus 15. In this way, first of all, you write the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. Okay. After that, that you will solve saying to the no solution. ये नो सॉल्यूशन कह रहा है, इसके अकॉर्डिंग सॉल्व करना है. तो देन condition of no solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but not equal to c1 upon c2. That is the condition of no solution. Now you put the value in this, and then you will get a1 upon a2 8 upon k is equal to b1 upon b2 5 upon 10 is equal to c1 upon c2 minus 9 upon minus 15. Clear students? Now you write it into two form. That is not equal. That is not equal. It is the condition of no solution. Now keep it into two form, and then it will be 8 upon a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. In this form you write. Then a1 upon a2 means 8 upon k is equal to 5 upon 10, and a1 upon a2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. So then it will be 8 upon k is not equal to minus 9 upon minus 15. Now do the cross multiplication. and then you will get k into 5 into k is equal to 10 into 8, and minus 9 into k is equal to minus 15 into 8, and then there will be 5k is equal to 80, and minus 9k is equal to minus 120. Therefore, k is equal to 80 divided by 5, and k is equal to minus divided by 9. Dear students, when you will divide, then what you will get? And 3 3 ja 9, 3 40 ja, that will not reduce. Then it will be k is not equal to. Here always you write the not equal to 40 upon 3. Yes friends, in this way, therefore k is equal to 16, and that is not valid. K is not equal to 40 upon 3, so that will be the answer. Dear students, in this way you can do the remaining sums.